Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So last thing ngale nkathi kudlala izingane zeSembu, we saw ama-chats between uTirelo no-Amahle Biyela, where uTirelo bekancenga Amahle ukuthi ucela amkhulumele noSibindi ukuthi awondle ingane, and then uMabiyela wathi yena indaba zabantu ababili azingeno. This year uGirl posted a post ebhala ukuthi I wish I was a boy, ngihamba ngilala namantombazana bese ngicashe ngokuthi ngifuna isithembu, and then wathi mase ngiba iqonqela lomfana elingaphani imali, which is weird because when wabhalela uLiterally message athi how sorry my love, athi ngubani mina engizokhuluma lezo indaba lezo, ukukhulisa ingane akuyona i-group work. This year sho ukuthi zikalela yena ezimkhali. Guys, akekho umuntu o-above i-program. Angeke ufike uthole indoda engondla ingane uyipregele and then ucabanga ukuthi eyakho ingane uzoyondla. Vele mayicala i-relationship ungakamphregeli umfana nje kumnandi nje, hhayi konke kuhamba kahle, uyayikhipha imali kahle ebechomela lawo amanye vele ama-baby mama wakhe or ama-girlfriend, kodwa ithi kuze kube yisikhathi sakho kahle kahle uzobona. And then when it comes to Umpumelelo, guys, I feel like Umpumelelo is actually hiding emuva kwesithembu vele, ethi ufuna isithembu, akafuni isithembu, uzithandela amantombazane, and the only way out kaMpumelelo ukuze nje ayifihle yonke lento le ukuthi elokhu ebhizi ethi ufuna isithembu. So there was this time Amahle enze i-live bembiza ngokuthi umakoti kaSibindi, wathi Amahle yena angisi umakoti kaSibindi mina, bangilobolile kodwa abangithelanga inyongo, so angiyena umakoti nje, ningangibizi ngomakoti. So uGirl makalo ebhizi posta lezi zinto lezi, uMpumelelo avela agadle ngokuthi aphoste uTirelo athi ubonga kakhulu ukuthi uTirelo bekame naye ebunzimeni nasebumnandini, and also I think uSibindi uposte lento lena because Amahle ulokhu busy uyamphika nje online, and Amahle is giving i-energy kaMangwabi, akayi-tolerate i-nonsense and also akakwazi ukupretenda. Meanwhile uTirelo I think she finally accepted ukuthi uSibindi umuntu onjani, so whatever ayenzayo kuye kuyafana nje, so kuyazifanela nkosi yami. And then ekondleni iy'ngane uTirelo once told uMusa ukuthi uSibindi akafuni ukondla ingane. I wonder if ever ingane but then no Vuyokazi ukhe wa-complain ukuthi uSibindi akafuni ukondla ingane, and then Amahle wazitshela ukuthi yena u-above the program, uSibindi uzawondla ingane or uzamupha imali, but then i-fantasy iyashesha ukuphela man. Once nje wangena emshadweni wapregela umfana kuyaphela nje konke kuyaphela. I just wonder nje ukuthi bahlalisene kanjani yazi, I just wonder, or they are just giving us ama-hints ukuthi nje laphayana kuzingane zesithembu kuyophumani. Asazi guys, asazi. What are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.